Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to convert any picture to PDF files in the fastest way using your Android phone. And let's start after of introduction. First, go to your Play Store and install Tap Scanner app on your device. After you installed it, open the app. You can choose between capturing a photo or select an image, it's up to you. Example. I'm going to choose these 3 pictures one by one, then apply. The 3 images are decoding to unable to edit. You can rotate your selected image left or right. I prefer a portrait orientation. And you can crop it depend on your style. After that, you can choose also your preferred filter that's suitable for your selected image. If you're done, click the check mark in the upper right of the app. If you miss out some pictures, you can add them. If nothing, click the download sign in the upper right corner of the app. Choose a document as PDF files. You can set the quality of your files, regular or max. Then click Save button.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance, not the life I want to live.
And you're done. Let's review the result of the pictures. The file is ready to go. You can send it now to your teacher. I hope you like it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell for more updates. See you soon, guys. Thank you for watching.
Sometimes I think that I'm unstoppable. Yeah, ready to go, man.